Hi, everyone. In opinion essays, we should start with an introductory paragraph. An intro paragraph has three main parts: hook, background information, and thesis statement. So, how should we write a hook? There are many ways. I will provide easy examples in this video to write an engaging hook for your essay. Some tips to keep in mind when writing a hook. Keep it short, simple, engaging, and clear. Make sure it introduces and leads into your main topic, meaning transition to your topic. A hook is actually the first impression your essay makes on your reader. Here, we mean the teacher. So if you make a good first impression, your teacher will read the rest of your essay in a positive way. In this video, I will show you 5 ways to write a hook. 1. Rhetorical question. This should be meaningful, but at the same time, not a real question. It should be a thought-provoking question. Here are some phrases that introduce a rhetorical question. 1. Have you ever? 2. What would you do? And number 3. How would you feel? Now, let's use those phrases to write a hook. This is the prompt. In future, all jobs will be done by robots. My first example will be something like this. Have you ever wondered what would happen if AI replaced every job in the world? Here is my second example. What would you do if there were no jobs left for humans? And my last hook using rhetorical question, how would you feel if a machine could do your job better than you? So, in other words, we get the reader thinking about the topic. Then, we acknowledge counter-arguments. Finally, we define key terms. Second way to write a hook, describe an imaginary situation. Take the same prompt into consideration. Here's an example using an imaginary situation as the hook. Imagine waking up one day to find that every job from doctors to chefs has been taken over by AI. Where would that leave us? Here is another example using an imaginary situation for the same prompt. Picture a world where robots run businesses, teach in schools, and even create art. Would there be anything left for humans to do? And my last example using an imaginary situation. You walk into a job interview, only to realize your competition is an AI that never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and never makes mistakes. How would you compete? The third way to write a hook is using a quote, meaning someone else's words. Don't forget to mention that person's name. Otherwise, it will be plagiarism, which is similar to stealing. Also, connect the quote to your topic. Here are 3 examples using a quote as the hook for the same prompt. The advance of technology is based on making it fit in so that you don't really even notice it. Bill Gates. If AI seamlessly integrates into our lives, will we even realize when it has taken over our jobs? Number 2, machines are capable of doing anything except thinking for themselves. Joseph Weizenbaum. If AI can outperform humans in almost every task, does that mean our jobs are at risk? Or will we always have something unique to offer? And number 3, technology will not replace great teachers. But technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. George Couros. Could the future of work be about humans and AI working together rather than AI replacing us entirely? The fourth way to write a hook is using a fact or a research. To do so, you need to cite the study to build credibility. Give an intriguing fact to grab the reader's attention, and tell the reader their main takeaway. Here are 3 examples using a fact or research as the hook for the same prompt. According to a 2023 Goldman Sachs report, AI could automate up to 300 million jobs worldwide. If AI is set to take over so many roles, what does that mean for the future of human employment? Example 2. A study by the World Economic Forum predicts that AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025, even as it displaces others. Does this mean AI is more of an opportunity than a threat to the workforce? And example 3, research from MIT suggests that while AI can outperform humans in repetitive tasks, it struggles with creativity and emotional intelligence. Does this mean there will always be jobs that only humans can do? The last way that I will discuss in this video is making a bold statement, using a controversial, uncommon, intriguing idea in your hook. Examples of the bold statements for the same prompt. Number 1. AI is coming for your job, whether you're ready or not. As automation advances, will there be any work left for humans? In the future, human workers may become obsolete. If AI can do everything faster and more efficiently, what role will people play in the job market? The rise of AI will change the workforce forever. Will this transformation lead to a world of opportunity? Or will it leave millions unemployed? Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you soon. That's all for today.